Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with a shortened recap of an experiment that I did. I sharpened the inexpensive Aldi's chisels, and at a steep angle, and I'm guessing it's around 22 degrees or thereabouts, it lost its edge almost immediately. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. At the top, it's just rolling over. The edge is rolling over. The steel is too thin, even in pine. So I increased the secondary bevel substantially. And I chiseled away at this piece of wood. And it's still perfectly sharp. Yes, this is only pine. But still sharp. I took it to some red oak. And the hardest thing you can do to a chisel, not going with the grain, it's going down into the grain. So I took it to some red oak and I chopped away at it. And I couldn't get one mallet swack on it before. Now I'm getting 3 and 4. Over and over and over. And it's giving me a smooth cut, a good finish. And after all this chopping, it's still sharp. So, what did we learn here today? Very simply put, if you have a cheap set of chisels, and these are those inexpensive Aldi's chisels we got 7, 8, 9, 10 years ago. If your bevel angle is low, you will be able to do certain tasks in pine easier. But the minute you start chopping into the wood itself, it loses its edge. So, for dovetail work, for mortise and tenon work, you need to increase that bevel, put a secondary bevel on it to 30 or 35 degrees. You're going to have to experiment on your tools. You may only need to increase it just a little, but that ever so slight increase strengthens the back of the edge so it will not roll over. So I hope this helps someone. I did a longer video of this, but we're going to scrap that one. I just want to give you the highlights. Low angle, one bevel. Higher angle, secondary bevel. This will hold its edge longer than this. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Get those chisels out that you don't like because they roll their edge, and increase the angle of the bevel slightly at first, just slightly. Walter out.